Have you ever wondered what happens when you commit to running just 30 minutes every day? Run 30 minutes every day isn't just a slogan, it's a daily challenge to transform your life. From burning fat to boosting your discipline, this simple habit will make you masculine than before. Stick around to find out how running transforms not just your body, but your entire mindset. Let's dive in. First things first, why running? It's simple. It's one of the most effective, equipment-free exercises out there. Here's what happens. Let's talk about mental health. According to a study from the University of Copenhagen, just 30 minutes of daily running can significantly decrease the risk of depression by 26%, thanks to the release of endorphins and serotonin, which are your natural mood elevators. Imagine feeling more alert, less stressed, and ready to conquer. That's the mindset of someone who is masculine than before. Now, onto fat burning. For a 75 kilograms individual, a 30-minute run and 8-minute mile pace can burn approximately 390 calories. But here's a unique twist. Research from the Journal of Sports Medicine shows that running 30 minutes daily can improve your metabolic rate even hours after you stop, helping you burn fat passively. Picture this. You're not just running off that extra slice of pizza, you're turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Concerned about your knees? Actually, running can benefit your joints. A study from Monash University found that consistent runners have lower rates of osteoarthritis compared to sedentary individuals. Your knees and hips get stronger, not weaker, as running encourages the production of synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. Struggling with focus or sleep issues? Running for 30 minutes can lead to an extra 30 to 45 minutes of deep sleep each night, as per research from the National Sleep Foundation. This isn't just about feeling rested, it's about waking up with a sharper mind, ready to learn, solve problems, or just enjoy your day more fully. Wondering about your cardiovascular health? Running daily can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease by 45%, according to a study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology. It strengthens your heart, increases HDL, good cholesterol, and significantly lowers blood pressure. More videos will be made in the future on that, so stay tuned. Turn on notifications to become masculine than before. Feeling the pressure of daily life? Regular running can act as a natural stress reliever, significantly lowering cortisol levels, which in turn helps manage stress and anxiety, as suggested by research from Stanford University. Looking to boost your immune system? Running increases the production of antibodies and white blood cells, enhancing your body's ability to fight off illness, according to the American College of Sports Medicine. Ready to start? Here's how you can do it safely and effectively. Choose the right shoes. Not just any shoes will do. Invest in running-specific footwear to support your feet and ankles. Dynamic warm-up. Do leg swings, high knees and arm circles to prepare your body, and follow up with a cool-down stretch session to avoid injury. Progressive challenge. Start with what feels comfortable and slowly increase your pace or distance. A study from the British Journal of Sports Medicine suggests that this approach can reduce injury risk by 30%. Variety is key. Mix in different terrains or speeds. Think of it as keeping your body guessing and engaged. Whether you choose the pavement or the treadmill, the goal is consistency. Outdoor running gives you the benefit of fresh air and nature, but a treadmill can be a lifesaver on bad weather days. Now, let's tackle the excuses head on. If you're saying you don't have time, remember, everyone has 30 minutes. It's about prioritizing. Too tired? That might just be the perfect reason to start running because it boosts your energy levels. Worried about looking silly or not being good at it? Trust me, everyone starts somewhere, and the only person judging you is you. No equipment? Running requires none, just your determination. Bad weather? That's what treadmills and indoor tracks are for. And if you're concerned about injury, remember, starting slow with proper shoes and warm-ups can prevent that. So stop making excuses and start running. You owe it to yourself to be the best version of you, to be masculine than before. Remember, you will never be masculine than before with excuses. Running every day is more than just a workout. It's a lifestyle that builds discipline, resilience, and confidence. This is how you take control of your fitness and become masculine than before. Hit that subscribe button, Share your progress in the comments and join the tribe of individuals leveling up every single day. This is your journey. Own it. We are masculine than before.